Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on HUAWEI Enjoy 70X. So you have to start by opening your app gallery and then click on search bar and type in turbo VPN and click search. And now click install. And click open. Then click agree and continue. And here you have to close this ad. And now click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. And now you have to close this ad. And as you can see, I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.